Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix arc radars NVIDIA filters if it's not working. All right, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, I would like for you to know that Embark, or the creators of arc radars, asked NVIDIA to remove the game from the supported game list of NVIDIA filters. Okay, so why? Because PC players used them to gain an unfair advantage in this extraction shooter. Okay. So do we have a workaround or other options? Okay. So I would like for you to know that make sure that you avoid third-party hacks, like attempting to bypass the filter block using old tools like NVIDIA Profile Inspector, as it may result in the game closing or potential bans. So what you can do is just basically go ahead over to the game settings and increase the brightness and adjust the shadows to medium to improve maybe a little bit of visibility without filters. Also, if you have NVIDIA or AMD Adrenalin, just go ahead over to it, open it up, open up the NVIDIA control panel, not the NVIDIA app, okay? And then here, go ahead and click on, in the left panel, we have adjust desktop color settings. Okay, and in here, increase the brightness, contrast, and gamma. You'll have this slider right here. This is personal preference as monitors are different. Okay, you can go ahead and slide this on however you want and adjust the digital vibrance as well. Okay, if you have monitors that can adjust the brightness, gamma, and some of the stuff as well, you can go ahead and open up your monitor settings and adjust it. Okay, that's just basically it. Again, as of January 2026, developers have intentionally disabled NVIDIA Freestyle filters in arc radars to prevent competitive advantages, rendering traditional Alt-F3 methods inactive. And that is how you fix arc radars and NVIDIA filters if it's not working. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.